I'm Josh Woods and I am Brand Learning's marketing graduate for 2017. The biggest surprise since starting at Brand Learning is how I'm trusted to work with a huge amount of clients. I've worked with over 20 clients so far in my short 4 months here. We produce the best work in the industry and I need to make sure that I'm keeping up with that standard. One of the key things that really appealed to me about Brand Learning was this incredible culture where everyone works together, everyone has time for you, no one's too busy to answer your questions, and it's really inclusive. You get, as a young person, your opinion is valued and you can always bring something new to a conversation. I would recommend the Brand Learning graduate programme to any university graduate who has a really keen interest in marketing. It provides an excellent opportunity to develop your own personal skills, work with some of the best clients that anyone could possibly wish to work for straight out of university, and you can make a real impact on the businesses that we work with. So from my first interactions with Brand Learning, I had some really high expectations. I left the experience day wanting more. I really enjoyed myself on that day. And then when I actually came to starting at Brand Learning, all of those inflated expectations were completely met and exceeded. That I'm working with real clients, doing real work. I'm not just doing the photocopying, but that I'm producing something tangible that clients can actually use within their organisations, and the work I'm doing is making a real difference. The opportunities to develop personally, the whole experience has been absolutely incredible.